Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in to your Chat Crypto account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in app.chatcrypto.cc and click on enter. Now you need to verify that you are human by just simply clicking on this box here. After the verification is done, you will be directed to a login page where you need to type in a valid email address and password associated with your Chat Crypto account. After typing in your information, click on I am not a robot box here. Then click on sign in button to log into your Chat Crypto account. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on forget password link and follow the procedures to recover it. So that is how you can log into your Chat Crypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.